everyone, Aloy here with another update. A long overdue one, but I hit a few roadblocks that had to be addressed before we can move on. And just to give you a quick recap, to address those roadblocks, I first created my own UI layout system, and this is geared towards the game and editor needs rather than web content. And what you see is just a little test page that moves around certain properties to see how the layout is going. And this is entirely based on the ECS, so only the parts that actually changed are updated. And this is great, but gizmos don't get me anything to work with. So I also worked on rendering the thing, and this is not complete. I got to the point where it's everything is set up to receive the data. I just need to, wire into the shader all of the properties. And this is also based on the text rendering that I did before. So it supports both vector graphics and primitives, or well, it should be, and probably will be, but not in this shape or form. Because getting those few boxes took me like 6 weeks. And that's a lot of time to just set up a render pipeline and then draw some boxes. In comparison, the entire Vulkan tutorial took me like 3 days. And that's something that is much more workable than what I had so far with the Bevy setup. And seeing how I can't really reuse anything from the Bevy stack, I decided to just start over and write my own engine. So for the moment, this is just the result of the tutorial, so it's nothing fancy. But I'm already started working on implementing whatever I can port over from the existing code. But there is very little to salvage, basically, because this is in Rust and that's going to be in C++. We'll see how that goes. In any case, I will be back later on. In the meantime, you have fun. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.